Guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. I'm going to assist you guys today on staticky AirPods. Now these are the AirPod Pros, so they're quite old, and whenever I put them in, they're both staticky. It used to be just the left one and I could tap it and then it would not static, but now both of them static. They make the crackly sound. So it still works. You can hear the sound behind, but then it just has that constant shh, static sound. So there's only one thing you could do. Once you do the whole cleaning thing, you clean it, clean all the places like all the other videos say. One thing that all you can do to salvage it at the end is, let's go ahead and make sure it's connected. Or if it's not connecting there, I can always go here. Okay, so we go inside. So if it doesn't pop up, just go to settings and then you'll see it right there, or under Bluetooth even, Bluetooth. And then you'll see right there, push the I, it'll lead you to this menu. What you want to make sure is that it's off noise cancellation and transparency, and just go ahead and turn it off. Because whenever I leave it on noise cancellation or transparency, it makes a static sound. And it's part of the reason why is because wear and tear. There's a thing called the ANC mic inside, and that just it's an issue with Apple. It's common. If you didn't, they had like kind of like a recall where they allowed you to bring it in to get fixed. But if you didn't within the time limit, like I didn't, then all you can do now to salvage these old AirPod Pros is to turn off noise cancellation. Unfortunately, that's all we can do, but then you can now still use it, and then they will be just like normal microphone or headphones, you know what I mean? AirPods. So yeah, once again, that's go to either Bluetooth, or they should just pop up on the iOS 22, the iOS 26. Oh man, so sketchy. On the iOS 26, then they should just pop up right there. So then once it pops up right here, I go ahead and then just make sure that it's off noise cancellation and transparency. And that's pretty much all you can do to salvage your old AirPod Pros if they're too staticky. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. Sucks that it's staticky and the ANC is broken, but what can you do? This is Apple's problem, and we have to just live with it. All right, thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like or comment. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.